Welcome back, YouTubers. Mike's Lego Reviews. Today I got a speed build I want to do of something new I purchased. I have Mixels. I have the Vampos, like very cool looking type of vampire bat type of thing. This is set number 41, 534, 59 pieces involved. So I'm going to tear this open and do a speed build. Apparently the blocks may glow in the dark at night, which is really cool, so we'll see how this all goes. This is from series number 4, the Mixels Vampos. So there you guys, that's Vampos in all his glory. He's all put together. He's got a little buddy here. He's got 3 extra pieces. These little kind of bluish, half bluish, whitish type piece. Those are the ones that glow in the dark. This is real cool. It's a guy you can have as an invader in your city or just sit on your desktop. These are the glow in dark pieces. Look cool on your little night table, on the desk, or on the shelf in your bedroom at night. So again guys, let's look at the series 4 Mixels Vampos from Lego. Another episode from Mike's Lego Reviews. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Take care guys. We'll catch you again on the next one.